Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, give
Good
me 1
evening,
minute.
ma'am.
Good evening. Can you see me now?
Ma'am.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Let's get started. So,
Good evening, ma'am.
geometry set 1 was your homework. Good evening, Aditi. Yeah, Danisha, say.
Ma'am, I have done set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 4 of the geometry.
Very good then. You are free from homework for the next few days. Okay, fine. These are easy questions only. No problem in that. Any doubts in the first exercise? Please ask me. If no, then we can start with the part 2 and maybe also finish more parts today. No doubts. Okay, Arnav, good evening. GR 2510, Janvi 5. Yeah. Let me admit everyone. They are still coming.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Okay, so geometry set 1. First, let's do some questions which are your doubts from there, and then we will move further. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yes. Number 5, Arnav, Yash, Naman 3. Yash, no doubts. Devashri 5. Shivani 7. Manasvi, no doubts. Good evening. It was too easy. Okay, nice. So let's do set 1 quickly. We have a couple of doubts. Just remind me again. Good evening. Question number 2 is the first doubt I hear from someone in the chat. So let's start doing this question number 2. In question number 2, Manvik, tell me what's the answer for this one? Which of the following is a ray? We need an arrow in a ray, right?
Ma'am, B and BC. BC is a ray in
BC
the
is
following
the ray
option.
as in the options. There are more rays also, but the other rays are not in the options. Like BE, BA are not in the options. So therefore, we will go by BC as the right answer. Question number 2 clear, Jia? Okay. Question number 3. Next, we'll do it with Aditi. Say, Mishika, what happened?
Ma'am, B and C, how can it be a ray?
Because C is going with an arrow. It's not a point C. We represent rays like that only. We never write a C on the arrow. We put a point before it and then write C. If it is a line segment, then it should look like this. No arrow. Advika, say.
Thank you. Miss, sorry I'm late, but I was sick yesterday and I'm just recovering. So is it fine if I keep my camera off?
Yes, that's okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arnav said no doubt, then he's writing doubt 7 with the wrong spelling of doubt. When will you learn the right spelling? Every class I teach you, every class, next class you say the wrong answer. This is the spelling of doubt. D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Correct it in the chat box. Question number 3, Aditi, can you help me? Which one is a line segment here?
Ma'am, a BF is the line segment as line segments have a definite length.
So, which will be the right answer?
Ma'am, option C.
BF, that's right. BF is a line segment. Question number 3, okay? Okay. Then we have Adya, no doubts, not done. Question 7 and 8. Ibrahim, say. Sorry. Ibrahim, your voice is breaking. Yeah, can't hear you.
Can't be DF,
Why can't it be?
TF,
That's not in the options.
but can it be?
B, D, right?
Ma'am, DF, DF.
Yeah. DF is also a line segment, but it is not in the options. That's why.
Yeah.
Okay. Done. All right. Who is the next doubt? Question number 4, 5. 5 is anyone's doubt?
Ma'am, my doubt.
Say Jia. Janvi, I'm an English teacher also. Say Jia.
Ma'am, question 5 is my doubt.
What happened?
No, you said whose is question 5 a doubt, so I was just raising my hand for that.
Oh, so many people have a doubt in the 5th one. Nice to know. Okay, hands down. Samriddhi Singh, can you help in this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Go
Ma'am, in
ahead.
5th question.
Pay attention on the word line, everyone. Yeah, Samriddhi, go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so okay, which line contains ma'am, S and T.
Okay.
No.
Why not the other ones like PR?
Yes, ma'am. Both of them can be. Ma'am, because I'm not understanding where the point is.
No, that's not true. Vedant, you have a doubt or you're raising hand for answering?
Ma'am, I just want to tell sorry for joining late. And I
No
have
worries.
kept my doubts in the chat box.
That's okay. Jia? Oh, you had a doubt in this one. Arnav, do you also have a doubt in the 5th one?
No, ma'am.
Then answer this question.
Ma'am,
Why
SN
ST is the answer, not UV or PR?
Ma'am, here it is line. In
Yeah.
line SNT is like this.
We have 2 arrows in S and T, so it's a line. In PR, it's a 2 dot. That means it's a line segment. And UV has 1 dot, 1 arrow. That means it's a ray. So when they say which line has the point Q, that is the center here, then the line is ST. Clear, everyone? Say Samriddhi Shrivastava.
Miss, so the arrow indicates that the line can go more further. And
Yeah, the arrow indicates that.
and
Correct.
the point indicates that the line is this much length only.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay. Then let's go to Janvi. Janvi, question number 6. Which of the following are opposite rays in this figure?
I take this at B as B, ma'am. QS and QT.
Okay, explain how did you recognize that they are rays?
Because yes, Q is the midpoint, and from QS is the ray, and I mean S is the ray because it's only extending from one side, and from Q to T, the Q and T is I mean from T it's a ray because it's only extending from extending from T.
Okay. Is that okay, everyone? QT and QS opposite to each other? Absolutely correct. Question number 7 we'll do with Mishika. Mishika, question 7. Which is the endpoint of QT?
Ma'am, the end point of QT is T.
T. Are you sure? Have you done this exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Then how is T the answer? T is wrong. Did you check the answer, Mishika? Guys, please understand this. When you're doing the exercise here, your exercise or your homework is not over until and unless you open the answer key and check it. You can check it yourself or you can ask your parents to check it and tell you whatever is easier for you, do it. But make sure you do not finish your homework before checking the homework. Because if you don't figure out what is right and what is wrong, then what's the point of doing the homework? It's just like you take a notebook, you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you write A, B, C, D, whatever comes to your mind. And then you say you're done with the homework. Check it, check your marks, see where you got it wrong, understand it from the answer key. Try to check it with your parents if possible. And if it's not, then come back in the class and discuss it with me. No problem in that. But this is how you complete the homework. Just doing the homework, not checking the answer key is not even half, 20% work done. Okay, Shania, can you tell me what will be the end point?
Ma'am, both A and B.
What do you mean both A and B? Q and T both are endpoints.
Yes, ma'am.
That's wrong. Devashri, this was your doubt?
No, ma'am.
Can you answer this one? What's the endpoint here?
Q.
Sorry, louder?
Q.
Yeah. And what's the reason behind choosing Q?
Because if it would be T, there is an arrow because it's a lay and that means it's extendable and there is no fixed
It's
endpoint for
not the
it.
end point. Exactly. The definition of ray and line says this only, that if it is a line which goes on extending, it has no endpoints, then only it is called as a line. Or if it has one endpoint and one point which goes on extending, then it is called as a ray. This is the extending part. We cannot name it as T. It's only Q, which is the endpoint. Is that clear, everyone? Say, Jia.
Ma'am, what if it was a line?
What do you mean?
What if it was a line and it asked that what is the end point of
There
it?
are no endpoints. Then there are no endpoints. If it is ST, then there are no endpoints in ST.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Question number 8. Was it a doubt of anyone? Question 8. No. Any question after 8? Sure. I cannot see it in the chat, so I'm asking you.
Ma'am, question 10.
Question 10. We need 120 degree. So let's classify. Vivek, what type of angle is 120 degree? Type.
Ma'am, 10th question, right?
I don't need the answer of the 10th question. I'm asking you what type of angle is 120 degree.
Ma'am, is it acute angle?
Of course not. Check the definition. Where are your notes, Vivek? Have you written what type of angles are called what? We did that last class.
Ma'am was not there.
You have not done. You were not there.
Yes.
You were there in the class.
No.
Sorry, say that again.
No.
Don't mumble, Vivek. Say it loudly.
No.
You were not there in the class. Did you see the recording?
No. I had to study
Then
for my exam.
why did you join? What?
Exam. I had to study.
Frame a proper sentence, Vivek. I could not watch the recording because I had an exam. Say that fully.
Yes, ma'am. I could not watch the recording
Say
because I
that.
had an exam.
Good. Next time, if there is anything like this, type it before I ask you in the chat box. Or raise your hand and tell me before I figure it out that you have not done something.
Okay.
Bhumik, what type of angle is 120 degree?
Um, um, I think it is. I think it is correct. Diagram 3.
I'm asking you something else. What type of angle is 120 degree?
Um, um, diagram 3.
I am
Ma'am,
not
diagram
asking you the answer. What am I asking you? What type of question? What type of angle is this? There are types of angle which we learned last class.
120 degree it is.
Yeah, what type it is? What are the type of angles you learned last class?
I think
You don't remember. Where are your notes? Show me the copy where you have written it. One second, Manasvi. Bhumik is not ready. Bhumik, you will not get a second chance now. When I ask you a question, you have to answer that. Don't keep on writing in the chat box that I want a chance, I want a chance. I will not give a chance like that. You still don't know what is 120 degree, Bhumik. What type of angle is 120 degree? No answers. Advika, what happened?
Miss, I'm pretty sure that Vivek was there in the last class. And
Why, Advika? Why is it important? I don't really care about it. Really don't care about it whether he was there in the last class or not. If he's not able to answer, then it is absolutely, equivalent to not being there in the class. The people who were there in the last class couldn't remember the thing in today's class, then it's absolutely equal, right? It's equal to not being present at all. Not an important thing, Advika. Work on your questions now. Forget about these things. Manasvi, concentrate. Say. Your voice is not coming. Can you say it again?
Ma'am, I didn't make notes of the types of angles.
Very good. Don't make notes, anyone. This is just for passing time. We are not serious here. You can continue learning the way you are learning. If you have a doubt later, I will directly refer you to the page number in the reading material and not explain you the next time I find anyone asking me doubts. And then when I ask them, show me your notes, they are not able to show me the notes. I will tell you the page number which you have to go back and refer to. Seriously, this will be the best punishment for you people so that you start taking things seriously. Go to reading material, Manasvi, Vivek, Bhumik, all of you people, lazy lads who don't go to the reading material. After every class, at least, if not in during the class, at least after every class, go and make notes from here. This is the place where you get everything. What do you want, Arnav?
Ma'am, I have take photo, so it will be okay.
Yes, but only if you have that safe anywhere. If you forget where you have kept that, then there is no use of it.
Ma'am, I have a group. In that I have kept.
Okay. Riyansh, what type of angle is 120 degree?
ma'am, the answer is D.
I did not ask you the answer. What type of angle is 120 degree? Today, half of the class is going in the timeout zone. You people are not playing a match. Bhumik and who else did I ask? Vivek and now Riyansh.
Ma'am,
You guys are
ma'am,
not playing.
back two
You
classes,
guys are not playing.
I was absent. Back to
Ma'am,
back.
I know the.
So what
Ma'am,
should I do? What should I do? What should I do if you're absent? Excuse
I
me?
was absent, ma'am.
What should I do? So,
I will,
whose work is this to check the class before the next class? You were absent, so what should I do, Riyansh?
ma'am, I
If you
will
are
start
absent, then
reading.
it is your responsibility that before the next class, you watch the recording and catch up the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that an excuse? You're anyways not playing the match today. You can leave the class right now if you want to. Don't talk to your teacher like that. What happened, Manvit?
I accidentally got my hand raised.
Okay, Vivek,
Sorry, ma'am.
it's okay.
Mom, can I answer it? I got what type of angle it is.
What type of angle? Sorry.
Mom, I know what type of angle is 120 degree.
Yeah, say.
Obtuse angle, ma'am.
Done. Correct. And your thing is revoked back. Now you can play. Pay attention, everyone. It's never too late to go back and check. It's never too late to go back and check. But if you keep having excuses, I was not there, I couldn't do, I didn't do, I this, that, and all the things, you will stay in the loop of excuses only. You will never be able to do anything good if you keep on putting up excuses one after the other. Obtuse angle is the right answer. And when we talk about obtuse angle, what is the range of obtuse angle, Gia? This was your doubt. What is the range of obtuse angle?
Ma'am, 90 degrees to 180 degrees?
Correct. So therefore, you have to look for an angle which is more than 90. We know that the standard of 90 is L. So I need an angle which is more than L. If this is my L, this line goes beyond L. And that's how the answer will be diagram 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. But wait a second. Should we go with diagram 3 or should we go with diagram 4? Because this is also extended beyond. Which one will you choose? Diagram 3 or diagram 4? Naman, no answers. If you have a doubt, then keep your hands raised up. Shania, you also. I need not repeat the same thing again and again in every class. Yeah, sorry, Gia, say.
Ma'am, the C one, because 90 near 90, meaning like if it's a L, so 90 would be closer with 120.
Absolutely. This is more closer to 180 degree. You know, more closer to 180 degree. So we'll use our approximation skills and go for diagram 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine, everyone. With this, we'll go with the second part quickly. So, as I said, if you don't want to write down, no problem. If you know how to take a screenshot and keep it safe somewhere, use that. I don't mind. But make notes, okay? Because without it, you might forget something. And then once you forget it, there is no way out. Say, Shania.
Ma'am, is there like any way to take a screenshot on a laptop or something?
Yes, yes. We can take a screenshot from the laptop. Either you can click on Windows P, it just saves it, or you can take snipping tool. Go to the Windows search bar and then click on snipping tool. You can exactly take the screenshot of the area which you want to cover, not the full screen.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Say enough.
We can take it from keyboard also. There is a PRTSC, print screenshot.
Yes. At the top, you will find that. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, just like Gaurav said, with the PRTSC screenshot, you have to take a screenshot, you have to press the window key also.
Yes. Okay, done everyone. Let's go to geometry set 2. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, how can we take a screenshot on laptop again?
See which laptop you have. Windows laptop.
Yes, ma'am, Windows.
Click print screen at the top. Go at the top where you have all the function keys F1, F2, F3. At the
Yes,
top,
ma'am.
you'll find a print screen PRTSC. Click on that. It will give you an option to snip the area you want to cover. But you have to save it somewhere. Otherwise, the next time you take a print screen, it will not stay. So you can open a Word document and save it, or make a folder where you can save all the pictures.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay.
I would recommend you opening a Word document, and with the Word document, you can, just open the Word document, paste the picture, and then come back to Zoom.
Okay, ma'am.
So we are going to talk talk about complementary and supplementary angles today, and then we'll go for a break. So complementary angles and supplementary angles. C for complementary, S for supplementary, C comes before S. So we can remember like this, that complementary angles are two angles which add up to give you 90 degree. Let's do this with the help of Tanisha. Tanisha, tell me one
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
angles less than 90 degree. Anything you wish for.
50.
50. So generally the questions are that if 50 degree is given to you, find the complement. They will say find the complement. What is the meaning of complement? Complement means complementary angle. But complementary angle of which angle? In this question, Tanisha, it is 50 degrees. So when someone asks you find the complementary angle or complement of 50, you know that complementary angles add up to give you 90 degree. So the missing angle can be written as 90 minus 50 to get the answer. What is the answer, Tanisha?
40.
40. And how would you people verify it? You can verify it by adding the answer with the question. 50 plus 40. Is it giving you back 90? Yes. So that is how you will go with complementary angles. So in the question, if they ask you, find the complementary angle of 30, you will do 90 minus 30 and you will get 60. That is all about complementary angles. Okay, so in the question, anywhere you see complementary angles, you know that these two angles make a 90 degree together. Say, Mishika.
Ma'am, if there is 30 degree and can't it be 180 degree?
No, 180 degrees supplementary, the next one.
And 120 degree?
Not possible, more than 90.
Only 90.
Yes, only 90.
Okay.
Say, Manvik.
Ma'am, but the degree can be anything less than 90.
The question can be anything less than 90, yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Say, Manvik.
Ma'am, for example, if in any case at the Olympiad or in our exams, they give if 90 degree and find the complement of angle of that complementary angle. So what will be the complementary angle of that?
Means, say that again.
Ma'am, for an example, imagine that they give us 90 degree and we have to tell the complementary angle.
0 degree, 0 degree. 90 degrees complement is 0 because 90 plus 0 is 90.
Ma'am, so how do we draw that?
You cannot draw 0 degree. Remember, we were just overlapping two lines in 0 degree. Okay?
Sorry, ma'am, forgot.
No problem. Arnav, say.
If there is 18, so answer will be one angle, degree angle.
Say that again.
Ma'am, if there is 89 degree and there it will be one.
Yeah, the
angle.
complement will be 1 degree. Yes. Okay. All right. Anything else, anyone? No? Then Yash, I have a question for you.
Yes.
42 degrees. Complement of 42 degrees. Others in the chat box, please.
What? 42
Others in the chat box, I said. 42 degrees. Complement of 42 degrees is the question for you. In
Okay.
case you did not hear.
58.
That's wrong. Subtraction issue, Yash. Check your subtraction skills. Vedant. What was the question, Vedant?
Ma'am, the question was complement of 42 degrees. The answer is
An answer?
48 degrees.
Thank you. 90 minus 42. Yash, I'm pretty sure you forgot to borrow because that was the reason why your answer came out as 58. It should be 48. Is that okay?
Yes.
Hanifa, can you give,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
wait a second, Hanifa. Janvi has a question. Say, Janvi.
Mom, I don't like get complementary angles. I don't get it.
Two
How
angles
is
which add up to give you 90 degree are called complementary angles. Any two angles. A plus B should give you 90 degree fixed. That is complementary. So two angles can be
okay?
called complementary when they add up to give you 90 degree.
Oh, it's just the like the I mean the degree. I mean the angle given here and minus 90, right?
The sum.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Devashri,
I have a doubt because if they say find a complementary angle of 120 degrees, then it is big.
not possible because it will be negative and you can't have negative angles.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Hanifa, can you give a quick read to supplementary angles, please, on my screen?
I should read it.
Yeah, read the slide. Yes.
Okay. Supplementary angles. When the sum of the two angles is 180, then the angles are known as supplementary angles. In other words, if two angles add up to form a straight angle, then those angles are referred to as supplementary angles. These two angles form a linear angle where is one angle is x, then the other is the other then the angle is 180 equals x.
Correct. So your question, Hanifa, if one of the angles is 102 degrees, then how to find the supplement of this?
Ma'am, we have to do 180 minus 102 degrees.
Thank you. And what do we get?
We get 78 degrees.
Correct. Okay, just like complement or complementary angles, which was adding up to 90, supplementary is adding up to 180. Supplementary angle has multiple names also. I mean, see, supplementary angle is the standard one, but we know this one thing that every straight line, which is a 180 degree, every straight line, if you break the straight line into two parts, then the two angles which are formed are always supplementary. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. This is also called as linear angle or also called as straight angle. The name which we learned last class, remember? Linear angle or straight angle. But that is not important in this slide. The important thing is 180 degree. The important thing is that these two angles are adding up and giving you a 180 degree. So if in case anyone suddenly asks you, what is the supplement of this? What is the supplement of this? All you need to do is subtract it from 180 and get the answer. Let's ask this question to someone. Let's go and ask this to Adya. Adya, what's the
Yes, ma'am.
supplement of 29 degrees? Do the fast calculation. Absolutely quick. Do it fast, everyone. In the exam, these type of
Ma'am,
questions.
51 degrees.
Just 51. Mistake.
No, ma'am. 151 degrees.
151 degrees. That is right. All of you got 151. No problem in this. No answers from, okay, Manvik, I got your answer. Advika did not answer. Advika hasn't answered anything after 850, 829. Now I got your answer. Say Sanya.
Ma'am, what is the difference between supplementary and the
Complementary.
complementary?
90 and 180.
Only that
One
difference?
adds up to 90, another adds up to 180.
I don't.
Adding. The total sum is different.
Okay.
In complementary, the two numbers should add and give you exactly 90. And in supplementary, the two numbers should add and give you exactly 180. Say Arnav.
And supplementary is the double of complementary.
Yes. Samriddhi say.
Ma'am, I set a trick for myself to remember how much the sum of the two angles for the both supplementary angles and complementary angles. So the trick is S for Samriddhi, S for supplementary, and my birthday is on 18th of October. So the sum of the two angles of supplementary angles.
That's your personal trick to remember.
Yes.
A general trick to remember is C comes before S. So C is 90 and S is 180. You can use that also. Okay, fine. 2 questions and this is your break time question. So you can do it in the break. Come back from the break and then we will discuss more about it. Okay. See you in 5 minutes. Welcome back. Let's just start this with Sanya. Sanya, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
I just need your help in one part, Sanya. 1/7 of 210.
Ma'am, it's 30, ma'am.
It's 30 degree. Thank you, Sanya. Moving to Advika. Advika,
Yes.
what's the supplement of 30 degrees?
Just 1 minute. Ma'am, the supplement of 180 degree. Ma'am, can you just repeat?
No, the question is on the screen. Everyone, please turn on your videos, and if you have a problem with your video, you can raise your hand and tell me.
Yes, I don't know.
Which question are we doing?
This first one.
What have I underlined?
Find the supplement.
This is what Sanya has already solved. So what do you think is the question now?
Find the supplement of 30.
Angle 30. Use your brain, Advika. That is a very vital organ in your body.
Ma'am, 150.
So everything will not be served to you, you know. Miss Advika, please do this. This will not happen in the exam. As you move in a higher grade, you will have to figure it out that what is the question and how you're supposed to answer this. And here everything is on the screen and you're not able to figure out. And you give up so easily. I mean, if you give up so easily, how would you take care of that hard questions which are coming up in the upper grade? I'm not worried about grade 5 or grade 6. I'm worried about the higher grades. If you give up so easily, oh my God, I couldn't hear it, I'll not try. Advika, try more until and unless you get it. Keep doing the wrong things. I don't mind. You have seen in the class also the people who give the wrong answer, I still give them a second chance. But the ones who give up, what should I say? Nothing. Nothing for you. Say, Sanya, what happened?
Ma'am, can I off my camera because I'm going to eat my food?
Yeah, that's okay. Say, Jia.
Ma'am, there are two more ways to do this question.
Say, how?
One is like option elimination. So 30, 70 and 110 if you can't do it. Meaning like if you do it 70 and 30 you can't do it. And 110. So if you
So you're using options.
yeah, option elimination.
Okay. That's correct.
And one more way is like if you subtract 180 by 210, you'll get 30 and 180 minus 30 equals 150.
That is correct. Okay, 1 second. Say, Samriddhi.
Miss, I didn't understand. How did you do it?
I broke the question into two parts. The first part is solving what angle. Find the supplement of some angle. What angle? So the first part is solving what angle. You have to first solve this part and figure out the question. You figured out the fraction answer. That is 1/7 off means multiply 210. You got 30 degrees. Now this is the second part of the question which says that find the supplement of 30 degree. Now you join this question with this question. That which angle supplement do I need to calculate? I need to calculate the supplement of 30 degrees.
So it will be 150 degrees. Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Degree.
So
Okay.
first we just calculated the angle. We first multiplied 1/7 into 210 to find the angle, and then we found the supplement of 30.
That's right. Okay. Question number 2. Complementary pair. This is to be done directly with the help of option elimination only. So complementary means two angles add up to give us 90 degree. So we have to see which of the following options add up to give us 90 degree. Say Arnav.
What, ma'am?
What's the answer for the second one?
Ma'am, 70 and 20.
70 and 20 add up to give you 90. So that is the right answer for us. Ibrahim, can you spot out which is the supplementary pair for us? You're speaking on mute. Ibrahim,
Yes, ma'am.
I was calling you. What is a supplementary pair in these options?
Ma'am, D.
This is what happens when you don't listen. Shivani, what's the answer?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Okay. Ma'am, it is A. Supplementary.
Yes, it is A. But Ibrahim, your time is over. I was asking this to Shivani. Shivani, you also got a A for supplementary?
Yes, ma'am. I've sent it to you in the chat box.
Yeah, thank you. Say Tanisha. Nothing? Okay, fine. Everyone, let's go to the next set. Parallel lines, perpendicular lines. We had a small discussion on that last class already, if you remember. But here we'll have a little detailed 1-2 additional points. Parallel lines may not be of the same length. You see this diagram? It may not be of the same length. But whatsoever length they are running together, the distance between them will always stay the same. So this line and this line is not said to be parallel because even though they are not meeting, their distance is not same all across the parallel part. Okay. So therefore, parallel lines should follow two rules. Rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? The rule number 1 is that they should never meet. And rule number 2, that the distance between the two parallel lines should always be the same, constant. Okay, we have a lot of examples of parallel lines. You can send me the examples in the chat box. They are railway lines, your scale, and so many other things. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the next part, which is perpendicular. So perpendicular, as we discussed last class, perpendicular are intersecting lines. They are those intersecting lines which meet exactly at 90 degree. Straight at 90, no other angle. If it meets at any other angle other than 90, they are called just intersecting, not perpendicular. Perpendicular is a special type of intersecting line, which meets only and only exactly at 90 degree. Okay, let's ask this question to Shivani only. Shivani,
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
meaning of adjacent? Do you know that? Mishika, I can
ma'am.
see you
I don't.
annotating. Next to each other.
Okay, ma'am.
Adjacent means next to each other. So in a square, if this is ABCD, the adjacent sides are perpendicular or parallel. Adjacent sides.
Ma'am, it is perpendicular.
I've made a rectangle, but anyways, it's the same thing. It is right. It's perpendicular because the adjacent sides are next to each other and the next to each other sides are always making a L, if you see. So they are always perpendicular, not parallel. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, can you do one slide before parallel lines?
Say Gia.
I did not understand adjacent.
Adjacent means next to each other. AD is next to DC. But AD is opposite to BC. They are not touching each other.
Meaning like perpendiculars are like basically which line
Angles.
next.
No,
Like
adjacent I gave the words definition because I was about to ask a question. So
oh,
in a square or a rectangle, the adjacent sides which are connected to each other, those are always perpendicular, making a 90 degree.
okay.
Okay, Naman say.
Ma'am, what if it was rectangle?
What, Naman?
Ma'am, what if it was
Same. This is a rectangle only. Rectangle, square, all have 90 degrees. No, Naman. How is that different? Yeah. Samriddhi say.
Ma'am, I didn't understand why it would be perpendicular and not parallel.
Parallel are opposite sides, Samriddhi. AB and DC are opposite. AB and DC are opposite because they are not touching each other directly. They are
Yes.
opposite to each other, right? So they are parallel if you see. This and this runs parallel. This and this runs parallel. AD and BC. They all are opposites and parallel.
Ma'am, and you had asked Shivani about A and D.
Perpendicular. No, I asked her about any two adjacent sides. I asked her that any two adjacent sides in a square or a rectangle are always what? Perpendicular or parallel. So the moment I say adjacent, by that I mean next to each other. Either like this or like this or like this or like this. All of them make a 90 degree.
Then it is 90 degree only. I was thinking that A, B, and D, C, which you have written with orange or something. A, B, and D, C parallel.
You understood right now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do a quick question on this, everyone. On your screen, you have to identify which of the following three figures has both parallel and perpendicular lines. Again, the cameras are off. Manasvi, Ibrahim, is there an issue with you? Sanya informed me about it. Advika informed me about it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, say Mishika.
Can it be multiple question answers like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1?
No. Both parallel and perpendicular we need. Only parallel or only perpendicular will not work.
No, ma'am, not like that. I'm asking that in figure 1 and 2 can be multiple answers.
No. These are all different options. You have to choose between these options.
So, ma'am, can the answer be 2 and 3? Like
No.
that? Or 1 or
The
2?
answer is only one.
Okay.
Only one of them, I mean.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Welcome. Adya is answering in the chat box. Manvik is answering. Mishika is answering. Vedant, what happened?
Ma'am, did you get my answer?
I'm checking it. Hanifa answering. Mishika, Adya answering. Jia answering. Don't raise your hand now to ask me. What happened, Bhumik?
Ma'am, would you check my chat box?
I'm checking it. No, I'm taking everyone's name one by one. Give me time. I'll do that.
Okay.
Ibrahim, Shivani. Jia, what do you want?
Ma'am, do parallel lines can be connected? Like, can it join?
No, that's what we discussed, that they are not going to meet at any point.
Okay.
Samriddhi, Srivastav, Aditi, Vedant, Janvi, Manasvi, Samriddhi Singh. Wait. Shania, Jia. That's the wrong answer, Jia. Rian. Wrong answer. Naman. Then Arnav, Bhumik, wrong answer. Sanya, Advika, Sanya, then Vivek. Okay, I think I got everyone's answer. Mishika. No, Tanisha, I have not got your answer. Riyansh, wrong answer. Arnav,
I didn't understand which are both parallel and
I will
parallel.
explain it when I explain the question. Say Vivek.
Ma'am, can I go drink water and come?
Yeah, I don't have to ask that. Okay, everyone, pay attention. Now we'll do this with say Tanisha, what happened?
Ma'am, did you get my answer?
Now I got it. Thank you. Wait, Tanisha. No, Tanisha, I have not.
Ma'am, I have sent
The-
it 2 times.
Where are you sending? Which chat? Are you sending to Priyasha Das?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
I'm not getting your answers. Wait, I'll send you a hi. No, I've not got a single answer from you. Type in that box. Okay, fine. Advika, what is your answer here?
Ma'am, my answer is number 2.
What's the problem in number 1?
Number 1, so the question is both parallel, parallel and perpendicular lines are both have to be there. So parallel, oh God, parallel line is there, but perpendicular is not there as as it has to be 90 degrees straight. So number 1 is out, and number 3, it also has parallel but not perpendicular, and as it is supposed to be 90 degrees. As we can see, it is a bit like it is obtuse angle. So the only option left is number 2.
Thank you. This is also only parallel. And then there is only one option which has parallel as well as perpendicular lines. Is that okay, everyone? Understood? Tanisha, say.
Ma'am, in the third one, the D and the A corner meets. So it will be perpendicular.
Of course not. Does it look like a 90 degree to you?
No.
Then perpendicular means what? 90 degree.
Ma'am, can you
Jia,
put
say.
the slide? Ma'am, can you
Put
put
what?
the perpendicular slide for a while?
Yeah. I'll just take the doubts and then do that. Yeah, Jia.
Ma'am, you said that parallel lines do not meet.
Yeah, they do not meet.
So,
Where
but
is AB and DC meeting? That is a separate line which is joining them, Baba. This line is joining them. It's not meeting. How is this line and this line meeting? Meeting means this. This is the meeting point.
okay.
Who else is there? Riyansh, say.
Ma'am, can I please take a screenshot?
Yeah, you don't have to ask it. You can take a screenshot. Okay, fine. Next, I think perpendicular is what you wanted. Tanisha, perpendicular.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Say Shanaya.
Ma'am, can I use the washroom?
Yeah, don't ask. Anyone else? Any doubts in the question?
Ma'am,
Can we do the next one?
ma'am,
Yeah, say Riyansh.
Can you please take chocolate problem? I want to take a screenshot.
Okay. I thought you already took it. Done?
I'm done.
Done. You're
Yes.
muted, Riyansh. Yeah. Okay, this is a very, very easy question. I don't know why is it given as a question. Just do it. Say Bhumik.
Ma'am, in Windows we can screenshot the screen like Windows plus print screen.
Yeah, but you are on a phone.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, I didn't understand opposite sides of square.
Oh my God, we just discussed adjacent and opposite. Remember?
Ma'am, my internet connection is low. Here is raining.
Mishika say.
Ma'am, is the screen of a laptop a rectangle?
Yeah.
Or it can be a square also?
It can be a square, but generally it is a rectangle. Okay, anyone who has not got a chance today? Single chance? The short questions which I ask you, the calculations which I ask you are also chance. Naman has not got. Yes, correct. Samriddhi has not got. Mishika, what happened?
I had my answer got wrong, so can I answer once again?
No. Manasvi has not got a chance. Manasvi, I did ask you a small thing. I remember 120 degrees, what type of angle? That was the question for you. Along with other people also. Naman, tell me the answer of this question, please. Samriddhi Srivastav, I also asked you a small calculation if I'm not wrong.
Ma'am, I told you that I didn't make notes.
Okay, fine. Manvik, what happened? Why were you raising hand?
Ma'am, I was going to tell you, I forgot and now I again remembered that ma'am was enough speaking that he had a pain in his ear. If I heard correct, then I have another coincidence. I was thinking about the day when I got an earache.
Naman, say the answer of the question.
Ma'am, it is C.
Sides of the cone. That's right. That's absolutely correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Samriddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
next question. Which of the following is not a line segment? Others in the chat box. Naman, switch on the camera.
Ma'am, I am eating.
Okay, okay. It's okay.
Ma'am, I think so. Option D.
Okay, explain how.
Ma'am, AB is a line segment, as you can see. It is a line segment because it is not extending and it is also not being bent.
Okay.
Option B, EC, same way with EC, it's not being bent and it is not extending like a ray or a simple line. And CB is also the same thing. It is a line segment.
But
And
here there is no line drawn between B and D.
yeah,
And
and
that
it
is
is
the reason.
that's
That's right.
the reason B and D is not a line segment.
Correct. This is a very tricky question, everyone, that it's not only drawn. It's not even drawn. So therefore, how will it be a line segment? Right? Any doubts, anyone? Okay. Manasvi, last one to do a question. Let's go, Manasvi. Find the supplement of the angle which is 3/8 of 320 degrees. Okay, this is an interesting question, everyone. Let's do it together. Fast, Manasvi.
Supplement. Okay. 8 divided by this, 8 divided by 320 is 40, and 40 multiplied by 3 is 120. 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. Option D answer.
Thank you. Supplement of 120 degree is going to be 60 degree. Absolutely correct, Manasvi. Thank you. Everyone else got the answer same? Did you understand, say Arnav?
Ma'am, I have done this question in 2 seconds, ma'am. 2 seconds only.
Thank you. Good. Okay, then everyone. Next is a rapid fire question. Wait, I'll do one thing. I'll do something. You all. No. Then you will see the answers of everyone. Come on. Wait. Let me clear your chat. Let me just go and read all your messages. No, it's okay. Fine. Let it be. I'll show you a question and you will have to answer it quickly. Okay? If you give the right answer, then all of you should answer this in the chat box. And then I will pass you for the test. Okay? So this is pass you for the game. Okay? So this is a game qualifier question. So please do it seriously and nicely. Let me check every chat so that I don't see any old messages. Why do you always have questions? Say, Mishika, what is the question in this?
Sorry, ma'am, by mistake.
No. Don't turn now. You are definitely going to ask something. Say.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. The chat box. Stop using the chat box. Now, here's the question. Do it real time fast. Very good. Manasvi, first right answer. Mishika, wrong answer. Aditi, second right answer. Vivek, right. Ibrahim, wrong. Manvik, right. Arnav, wrong. Riyansh, wrong. Shivani, right. Devashri, wrong. Samriddhi Shivastav, right. Vedant, wrong. Janvi, wrong. Advika, wrong. Jia, wrong. Shivani, wrong. Sorry, Shanaya, wrong. Mishika, correct. 7 right answers now. Aditi, correct. You already answered it. Why are you confusing me? Writing degree separately. I would have counted it wrong then. Ibrahim, wrong. Okay, 2 wrong answers. Ibrahim, out. Yash, right. Arnav, wrong. Okay, I'm just joking. Try again. You're not out. Adya, correct. Naman, wrong. Hanifa, correct. 10 right answers. Tanisha, correct. 11. Devashri, correct. 12. Janvi, wrong. Arnav, it's wrong. Okay. I don't ask me why. Samriddhi Singh, correct. 13 right answers. Naman still wrong. Oh my God, you people are so... Arnav, correct. 14 right answers. Janvi still wrong. Vedant. Correct. 15 right answers. Then Samriddhi Singh, yeah, go. Ibrahim, wrong. What are you doing, Ibrahim? Okay, fine then. Manasvi has recently answered. Bhumik,
Ma'am, am I right?
Sorry, Janvi, I cannot say this right now. 1 second. Bhumik, where is the answer? 1 second. Sanya has also not answered. Now answer. Yeah, it is correct. Janvi, I don't see your message for some reason. Hanifa, what happened?
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Why can't I see your answer, Hanifa? Wait. Yeah, it's correct. I told you, I took your name, I remember.
Okay.
Janvi, wrong. Writing it 3 times will not make it right. Okay, fine. Bhumik, where is your answer? Why are you not answering in the chat box? You don't want to play?
Ma'am, I am giving. Wait.
What do you mean
Wait,
giving?
wait.
No, I'm not
But-
waiting. You're not playing the match today. You and Rayansh are out.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
You're not playing.
Oh, no.
Why are you not answering? I waited for 1 minute. Look at the time. We don't even have time to play. Go. Manvik, what's the answer?
Ma'am, the answer is 113 degree, as when you divide 268 by 4, you get 67, and when you subtract 180 from 67, you get 130 degree.
That's right. Why was there a terrible mistake in subtraction, everyone? Huh? All of you? Not all of you, many of you. Last class, what did we play? Just type it in the chat box. No need to unmute and say. Last class, what did we play? What is taking you so much time to type, huh? Crypto hack. Crypto hack. Okay. So today, no crypto hack, no gold quest. This was also played last week. So today you have new 2 options. Okay. Knockback, number 1. And number 2 would be deceptive dinos. So yeah, Hanifa, say.
Ma'am, last class you told that we'll play Fishing Frenzy.
Oh, we fixed it, right? Yeah. So today we are playing Fishing Frenzy because anyways we don't have time. Before I give you the link of the game, please do the 6th question on the screen. You keep doing this question, I'll get the link for you. They're playing Fishing Frenzy. Yes, Tanisha?
Ma'am, is this also a game qualifier?
No. Yes, Anya?
Ma'am, what is it? Ma'am, it is going to be multiplication?
It is going to be division.
Okay.
Arnab, say.
Ma'am, are you playing?
Yeah, I can play. Bhumik, what's the answer? I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Riyansh, what's the answer? 5 seconds.
I got answer.
Ma'am, I have sent it you.
It's 48.
I got your answer in
48.
the chat, Riyansh. What did you
Ma'am,
say?
48.
How? Will you explain?
Yeah. First calculate. First find the value of the angle. 3 by 5 and 2 to 0. 3 by 5 multiplied by 2 to 0 is equals to 3. Multiply 2 to 0 by 5 is equals to 3 into 44. That is equal to 132. And added up, we added to get 1
180 and separate it, we get 132. Yeah. So final answer 180 minus 132 is equal to 48.
That's right. Thank you. Many of you have got
So,
the wrong answer.
ma'am,
Many of
I am
you.
allowed to play game.
Yes. Say Vivek.
Ma'am, winning
Mom,
chicken
today is my
crispy.
birthday.
1 second. Whose birthday?
Mom, my birthday.
Vivek, your birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Vivek. I'm opening the chat, everyone. Please wish Vivek. Happy birthday, Vivek. May God bless you with all your wishes. You all will come true, don't worry. And yeah, I scolded you on your birthday. You could have told me before. Birthday gift from my side. Scoldings. Take care, Vivek. And how are you celebrating? Did you cut the cake?
Cake.
Wow, you are doing a class on your birthday. Very nice. Good boy. Okay. In that case, guys, drop some birthday cakes in the chat box. Yes, we have birthday cakes floating. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, and please join Vivek. Everyone can join today because it's a birthday class. So birthday class, everyone has to play, including Rianch. Okay.
Should I join with my nickname?
Anything is fine, Samriti. Just do it fast because we are already late. Okay. Oh, I'm also supposed to play, right? Yeah, I'll just join. I have not joined it yet. Yeah, oh, amazing. You saw it. I'm glad you saw it. So, yeah, I posted after long time. I posted a video on my gaming channel, and that was where I, had a lot of coins in the dead shot game. So I was just spinning and checking which particular what do you
Ma'am,
say? Which particular gun comes good. Hey, Jia, what happened?
ma'am, what's your channel's name?
Oh yeah, okay. That one is winning chicken only, but the main one is Crackzat. I'll just
And I
send it.
have a channel too.
Oh yeah, wow. You comment, I'll subscribe you back there. Say Shania, guys, join fast.
I'll give you at the last in the end.
Yeah. Jia, you can just comment on any of my videos. I will get your link from there and I'll go and subscribe. I'll
Ma'am,
comment and
I
I'll get
heard the winning chicken, but what about the other name that you said is the main one?
I have sent you the link. That's Crack and XAT Zat. In Google, if you search, by my name, Priyasha Das, you will get it. But I've sent it anyways. Both of them. Say Samriddhi.
Ma'am, Sarthak won't be able to attend your reading
Tomorrow.
class tomorrow because he has school PTM. He
Okay.
could attend, I don't know, but if
That's
he
fine.
can, then he could.
Okay. Say Janvi, we'll start everyone. Yeah,
Oh,
we are
I also
starting.
have a YouTube channel, but I won't share it because I post the most cringiest videos.
So what? Cringe is fine. What's the issue? Do post it. I mean, do share it. Just do one thing. You can just comment in any one of my videos. I'll get the link directly and I'll just subscribe back. Yeah, there was some hands raised. Ibrahim, say. Oh my God. I've started the game, by the way.
Ma'am, can you send me the link of the game?
Game link.
Yeah.
I've already sent in the chat. Scroll up.
No, ma'am. I joined now because of network connection.
Wait a second. Wait a second. I'll just get the link. Oh, you must be swarming between happy birthdays. Okay, here's the link. See here, your clicking speed and your division skills are going to come up. Keep clicking, don't wait.
Will you check the accuracy?
Only if we don't have a wrong answer. I have not got any wrong answer yet, so I might check it.
Same here.
Okay, I got a lemon crab. Who is at the top? Let's see. I'm at the top. Then we have Devashri with only 10 LBS less than me. Quick division, quick division. So many distractions. But I am a ninja player. I'll not get distracted. Vivek and I am in the same score. I'll take a jump now. Oh, Vedant is at the top. Oh my God, what a change. Oh my God, this distraction is so difficult to handle. Papa fish distraction. The toughest. Oh, I give you a distraction of octopus now. Say, Shanaya, what happened? Someone is raising hand. Devashri, go ahead directly. It's a game.
Ma'am,
You
I
can
got
do
thrown
it.
out of the game and can I leave the meeting because I have another class?
Oh, yeah. Okay, Devashri. Sorry for that. Bye-bye. And yeah, you remember, right? Which are the next 2 days we are not having a class?
Yes, ma'am.
30th and 2nd. Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Bye.
This
See you
distraction
soon.
is very bad.
Yes. I will be checking the accuracy. I have not got a wrong answer yet.
Same.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, I got the answer between this. I'm in rank 4 waiting for some baby sharks and megalodons. Frenzy time! My first baby shark. Ah, my second baby shark. Where is 7? Where is 7? Okay, that's fun. Let's see what do we get. Hanifa is at the top somehow with a lot and lot more. Okay, Megalodon. That's the winning game. I wish I'm first. Yes, thank you to Megalodon. Oh my God, this was fun. The last moment Megalodon helped me. Congratulations. Let's check your accuracy now. 92% overall class, good. Hanifa, 74 answers. Still second position. Wow, how lucky you are. Advika, 90% accuracy. Tanisha, Aditi, Vedant, 100% accuracy. Well done. Very good. 28 right answers. That's too much. Aditi, 33, but 1 wrong. Then Vivek, then Ryansh, then Risha. Shivani, 100% accuracy with 30 right answers. Very good. Yash, 25, 100% accuracy. Mishika, 25, 100% accuracy. Very good. Then Bhumek, Sanya, Naman, Janvi, Sammy is Samriddhi Singh, Manasvi, Manvik. Manvik, why this? Why so less questions answered? Shanaya, Ibrahim. Ibrahim also only 7 voting. He came late.
To say namaste to my father. He just came from office and then later when I came, the game has started and after that in
Did you get punched in the
class I
process?
got 2 questions wrong also.
Say, Shanaya, you want to say something? Samriddhi, you want to say something? Ibrahim, you want to say something? No? Hanifa?
I want to say,
Say.
ma'am, my laptop is not working. As soon as I joined, my network went off. It took me.
Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
sad news. Bye. Okay, guys. Look. We are already late. Hanifa, say quickly, guys, we are not meeting for the next 2 classes. Remember, right? Monday and Wednesday. Say, Hanifa, next Friday we will catch up.
I got 8 wrong because of the distractions.
Oh, come on. That
And
is
in
a part
the
of the game.
and I got second place because I got 2 megalodons.
Wow, lucky you, huh? Okay, say, Advika.
Once I got 2 wrong because of the distractions. They were so distracting.
Nishika.
There. Bye, ma'am. The class was.
Bye bye. Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am. The class was good.
Bye, ma'am. The class
Bye.
was great.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. It's amazing.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Ma'am.
1 second. Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the homework?
I am typing it in the chat box. Bhumik, what is this? What are you doing? Is it a joke? If you can't wish a person, don't type stupid things in the chat box. Okay, Jia, say.
Can you resend your YouTube link? Cause like many happy birthday wishes went somewhere.
That's true. Many happy birthday wishes came through. So I'll send once more. Say,
Yeah, thank
Janvi. Welcome.
Mom, every time the puffer fish came, I was like literally roasting it like so bad. And like every time it was like coming to the screen and showing it, like I was literally
Yeah, it's-
roasting it so bad. Poor puffer
Ma'am, the
fish.
class was great. Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Jia.
the class was
Bye-bye.
amazing.
Have
Bye,
a good
ma'am.
journey, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Okay. Samriddhi, say. Sing.
Ma'am, I only got puffer fish as the distractions. Ma'am,
What
and
about the other
because of
distractions?
that, ma'am, and because of that, I got one wrong answer. And I
Oh.
couldn't answer properly.
No worries. Say Manasvi.
Ma'am, I don't like fishing frenzy because of the like bloops.
Come on, that is the part of the game. You have to see through it very carefully. Okay, everyone. Stanisha, say. Then I'll go to Bhumik. Then I'll say a bye to
Bye,
everyone.
ma'am. Thank you.
Meeting after 1 week. Bye-bye. Take care.
Ma'am,
Say
can we
Tanisha.
play Battle Royale next class?
No booking, Mishika. Say Tanisha.
Ma'am, in the fishy time, I got 2 baby sharks. That's why from the thousands I got in millions.
Yes, I also jumped up high because of that. Otherwise, Hanifa and Vedant were winning. Say Bhumik.
And I like fishing frenzy because we can't hide anywhere.
Subscribe to your channel.
Thank you, Bhumik.
Both. The
Thank you
both
so much.
channel.
Thank you so
I
much.
have your number also.
Oh, how?
I will send you in the group.
Oh
Your
no, I'm
number.
not in the group.
I'm
They
in
are
tomorrow in
someone
chat.
else. They are Olympiad success people only.
But
Bye
they do
bye.
not get your
I'm not
number.
there in your group. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.
Thank you.
I
Bye.
will send number.
Great.
Okay. Bye.